You started HRT to feel better, so why does it feel like your weight's gone in the opposite direction? I'm Taylor, a health coach at Medicspot. A lot of people ask me, is HRT making me gain weight? And if it is, can treatments like GLP-1 medications help you lose it? Let's walk through the evidence honestly. Hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, is used by many people to manage symptoms of menopause or hormonal imbalance. When it comes to weight gain, the short answer is HRT itself does not usually cause significant weight gain. What many people notice during menopause is changes in body composition, especially around the belly, and a tendency to gain fat more easily than before. But this shift happens with age and declining estrogen levels in cells, not because of the HRT medication. In fact, the opposite is true. HRT helps balance your hormones by replacing what is lost. So why do people feel like they gain weight on HRT? Because menopause and age bring real biological changes that affect metabolism, so how many calories you burn at rest, muscle mass, which naturally declines with age, fat distribution, such as more abdominal fat, and energy levels. Many people start HRT at the same time these changes are occurring, which makes it easy to think the medication is the cause, but actually it will be helping. It's still not uncommon for people to feel more tired, have less motivation to exercise, or notice appetite changes as they go through menopause or hormonal shifts, even on HRT. Those factors can lead to gradual weight gain over time. Now, to the second big question is if you can notice weight gain around the time of menopause, can GLP-1 medications help you lose it? Potentially yes for some people, but with important context. GLP-1 medications such as Wegovy and Mounjaro are not the same as HRT hormones. They are prescription medications that help regulate appetite and fullness signals by affecting the gut-brain communication. Specifically, they can reduce hunger, help you feel full sooner and longer, and reduce the intense cravings for some people. These effects can make it easy to create and maintain a calorie deficit, which is the foundation for weight loss, without having to rely solely on willpower or restrictive eating. It's important to understand HRT and GLP-1 medications work on different hormone systems. GLP-1s don't reverse menopause or hormone changes directly, but they can help with obesity, a condition many people struggle with during midlife transitions. There are prescription treatments with specific eligibility criteria, and they are best used alongside balanced nutrition, movement, and behavioral support. So if your weight has been creeping up during menopause or while you're on HRT, it's not your fault, and it's not usually the medication itself that's to blame. What's changing is your body's biology, lifestyle, and hunger signals that can be real and frustrating, but please don't stop HRT without medical advice. For many people, a combination of evidence-based medications like GLP-1s, when clinically appropriate, nutrition and behavioral support and activity that fits your life can help manage weight in a sustainable way. If you want to understand whether support like GLP-1 medications could help you lose weight, take our short online assessment. It's free, confidential, and designed to give you the clarity on your options without pressure. You deserve a plan that helps you feel in control of your body again, not like you're fighting it every step of the way.